Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now this video, listen, this has been a long time in the making. You know what? For those of you guys that know me, know that I don't do anything hot, but I can tell you this, when I make this, everybody goes crazy over it. And you know what? Today I'm getting ready to show you guys how I make my version of wild wings. All right, in this video, I'm even going to show you guys how I use my air fryer to make some crispy chicken wings. You know what? We start off with them just being naked. You know, we don't put no flour or nothing like that on there. We just season them with a little seasoning salt. And if you guys have been following my channel, you know my favorite seasoning is J.O. I have J.O. It's on its way right now. I'm waiting for them to ring my doorbell. And as soon as they do, I'll be back out at it. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna show you how I make the wings, and I'm gonna show you how I do them in the air fryer, and then I'm gonna show you just how quick and easy it is to get, you know, buffalo wings, you know, some hot, spicy wings, you know, in your living room for game day. With that being said, let me go ahead and get right into the video. Now, first thing you wanna do, you wanna make sure that you go ahead and wash your chicken. You know, pat it dry, put it in a bowl, and actually you can season it however you want to do it. You can season it on a pan. Here you can see I chose to use a bowl. So what I'm doing is I'm just, you know, getting it all arranged. Then I'll come with it, you know, sprinkle some of my seasoning salt on it, and then you know what, I'll flip it, rearrange it, and then do the same thing. And then we're gonna flip it again, and then we're gonna start adding that black pepper. Okay, and now for your sauce. What you want to do is you want to start off with 2 sticks of butter. And these are, you know what, these are salted sticks of butter. You know, go ahead and melt them down. And you don't want to use too high of a heat. So what I did was I just put it on medium. You don't want to like burn the butter. You just want to melt it, you know, melt it slowly. And then once you get done with melting it, then you want to go ahead and, you know what, I got to say this. Listen, if anybody thinks about any type of buffalo wings or a hot and spicy wing, most people think about Frank's. So this is Frank's red hot, extra hot, you know, hot sauce. So just go ahead and add that. Listen, let me just go ahead and say this also. Listen, for the full recipe, it'll be down in the description box below, which will be ingredients and full, you know, full quantities. So as you saw, I put red chili peppers and chili flakes in there, and then you come with the minced garlic, and that right there is the cayenne pepper. So just go ahead and add it, and then you want to start stirring it. I chose to use a whisk, and then listen, because of the type of pan that I have, I'm using a rubber whisk. You know what I mean? It's coated, you know what I mean, nice and, you know, so you don't tear up your pot. Okay, go ahead and put your chicken inside of the basket. And then listen, if you're using the air fryer, it's 350 degrees for 20 minutes. It's just that simple. Listen, I'm using my Philips air fryer. This is my Turbostar. Listen, I love this machine right here. Okay, and as it counts down, you know, it'll beep. Okay, we go ahead and take a look at it. What you guys think about that right there? Nice golden brown, and they were crisp. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and just take them and put them on I have a plate. I put a napkin on there, so just any residual grease, you know, oil that can come off of there, it goes into the paper towel. Again, look at that right there. So now what you're looking at right here is me. Listen, you do not have to do this. I'm doing it individually because I'm thinking about making the thumbnail. But listen, you can throw them in a bowl if you got a big enough bowl, and then you can go ahead and pour your hot sauce right on top of it, and then you can kind of like flip it. I'll do another video soon and just show you guys the technique on how to just flip it and coat them all, you know, basically at one time. And also, if you don't want them to be as wet, you do not have to add 2 sticks of butter. You know, 2 sticks of butter get you nice and wet and buttery and hot. But you know what, if you guys just want it to be like, you know, like super thick, not as wet, just remember 1 stick of butter. Tell me what you guys think. That was easy, huh? You know what? Again, I'm gonna go ahead and just go out on the limb and just tell you guys, you know, the truth. Listen, I am a lightweight when it comes to this, you know, something hot and spicy. You know, so with that being said, you know what? You don't see me actually eating it, because check this out. This is really a keto-friendly buffalo wing, you know, recipe. So if you know, watching your weight, you know, you're doing the keto diet, hey, these wings right here, these will get you through. So they say. I wouldn't know, because I'm telling you right now, I am not finna eat nothing hot. You know what I mean? And I know some of you guys looking at it saying, hey, the spices and all that wasn't that hot. But for me, it looked like lava. So after seeing how easy it is, you know what? I hope you guys go ahead and, you know, just go ahead and make them. You know what I mean? Set them out and then watch how everybody just devours them. You know what? When you're mixing them up and you get your ingredients together and, you know, once you coat them, you can just smell the aroma. Hey, they smell like we at that place. I don't want to say their name right now, but y'all know. Maybe I'll just put that up there. When I do that, maybe it'll just have their logo. Anyway, that being said, hey, you know what? Thank you for watching. So if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and take the time to say, hey, welcome to my channel. You know what? Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. With that being said, you guys, I'm out. Peace.